Time magazine analyzed millions of historical data points to rank the 100 most significant figures in human history. Today, we redraw figure number 35, Benjamin Franklin. He was not a president. He was not a general. Yet, without him, the United States of America might not exist. But behind the myth of the Founding Father hides the mind of an eccentric genius. We remember him as the man who tamed lightning with a kite and a key. The wise, grandfatherly figure on the $100 bill. But Benjamin Franklin was far more than a founding father. He was a master of disguise, a pioneer of wellness, and a man who almost died trying to cook a turkey with electricity.
Beyond the bifocals and the lightning rods, there is a Franklin that history often hides. A man of contradictions and curious habits. Today, we step into his workshop to find the human behind the legend. Here are 5 facts you didn't know about Benjamin Franklin. Fact 1. His first big hit was written by a middle-aged widow. At 16, Ben wanted to write for his brother's newspaper, but he was told no. So he created a persona, Silence Dogood, a sharp-tongued widow who offered advice on everything from fashion to politics. He wrote 14 letters under this name, slipping them under the door at night. They became the talk of the town before he finally confessed.
Fact 2. He was a pioneer of cold therapy. Long before ice baths were a trend, Franklin practiced what he called air baths. Every morning, he would sit stark naked in front of an open window for up to an hour, reading or writing. He believed cold air was more refreshing than water, and that it braced the body against disease. Imagine walking past his house in 1770 and seeing a founding father in his natural state.
Fact 3. He almost killed himself trying to cook a turkey. Franklin was obsessed with finding practical uses for electricity. In 1750, he attempted to electrocute a turkey for a dinner party, believing it would make the meat uncommonly tender. Instead, he took the full force of the shock himself. He later wrote, "I meant to kill a turkey and was instead nearly killed myself." Fact 4. He never patented a single one of his inventions. From the lightning rod and bifocals to the Franklin stove and the flexible catheter, he refused to profit from his genius. He believed that as we enjoy great advantages from the inventions of others, we should be glad of an opportunity to serve others by any invention of ours. To him, innovation was a gift to humanity, not a business.
Fact 5. He was a world-class swimmer and the inventor of swim fins. At age 11, he crafted 2 wooden paddles for his hands to help him swim faster, the earliest version of modern fins. Later in London, he performed such incredible swimming feats in the River Thames that he was almost convinced to open a swimming school. He is the only founding father in the International Swimming Hall of Fame.
Benjamin Franklin was a man who lived a dozen lives in one. He was a prankster, a scientist, a diplomat, and a dreamer. He showed us that curiosity is the greatest spark of all. We see his face every day on our currency, but his true value isn't in paper. It's in the reminder that a single mind, fueled by wonder, can light up the world. Benjamin Franklin proved that a runaway with a printing press could eventually redesign the world. He was the ultimate architect of the future. That was figure number 35 out of 100. If you want to explore the minds that shaped civilization, subscribe to Sketching History. The canvas is waiting. See you in the next chapter.